Downtown Kingston is our location for this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Chrissy, and for the next half hour, it's all about lifestyle and entertainment right here in Jamaica. Follow me as we get this week's show on the road. Is about to change the game. The company's Game Changer promotion kicked off recently and we made the stop in Ocho Rios. Let's check out the highlights.
Telecommunications company Flow rolled out its new Game Changer promotion across the island on Friday, April 12. Painting Jamaica blue, the company took to the streets in grand fashion, taking over major towns and communities with entertainment, great phone deals, and lots of excitement. We joined the excitement at Buckfield in Ocho Rios, where the likes of Wayne Marshall, Ching Ching, and Teejay had the crowd on a musical high.
Genuine leather, from bully beef to lobster brew cheddar. Jet setter shopping in Vienna, custom Louis V with the shields and the sweater. To find the treasure, I dug deeper, I got better. Focus, tune up my meta. Now I'm a master, money getter, richer ever. All over money plan, now go. Regard the dancehall artist, check the farms, his J is where my artist, but I'm thinking like no. Missing more hard knocks than karate's back when life was the hardest. Now everything work out like from a very tender age, I knew I was above the average. Innate knowledge, the kind you don't learn enough. All over money plan for the year, you know. Give me some signal now. We have the them and sing the song, you know. You go. Stupid money, rich and deep.
Say you wanna roll with a pro today, then roll with Teejay, and roll this draw for me. I beg you roll this draw for me. Cause you already know what me step on, girl. Keep your posh like Beckham, girl. So take a second swirl, cause if you check the case of a sexy face, me run around in my room like second place. Hey, skip first and second base. No, I know me no dep on ace, but then our next man dep on the case. You make me have a second place, you make you know if I dep on waste me say. Hey, you wanna roll with a pro today, then roll with Teejay, and roll this show for me, cause I don't know what more to say. I dignity or a
roast fry, breadfruit. You want breadfruit? Come on, show them the roast breadfruit. See that? Now we outline a bling. Gotta come to the breadfruit thing. She can sing and everybody dancing. All girls do. We don't do the one party. Breadfruit and roast, everybody get a roll.
MC Bada Bling kept the crowd entertained with games and giveaways, engaging the crowd in dancing and singing competitions.
So I touch my burgers, and I'm reach out, I want to see people flow. I'm with sex, I can come the internet, the flow with official. Instagram, it's not Facebook, I got it black. WhatsApp, I got it black. Instagram, what is it? From the floor, the pan, the black, and what the table, I feel like that.
Flow's managing director Stephen Price gave an insight into Flow's brand refresh and new mobile plans.
The reality is, we wanted to ensure that we provided the technology, the network, the power for Jamaicans to progress. We're celebrating the hustle of Jamaicans. We know every Jamaican has a 9 to 5. We know them have a side gig. We know they're doing something else outside to make sure that they progress. Education, work, all kind of things, dressmakers, shoemakers, everybody. We're giving you technology to make sure that you can progress. We develop 4 simple plans, and those plans go rock. You get unlimited talk, no limits across any network, no limits on social media. You get a core amount of data, but even if that data runs out, we never turn it off for the rest of that plan. You're still connected, but at a slower speed. Unlimited SMS, no bill shock, no overage, no surprises. We just bring a plan that Jamaicans want. We are living the most disruptive time, where technology changes every day. Voice is awesome, but we know that data is the future. We want to make sure that this country is 100% covered with data. We're at 73% population coverage with LTE. We're moving to 96% by the end of the year because we want to empower Jamaicans and make sure that they're successful.
How have Jamaicans received it so far?
They have responded so well. I mean, we've had 4 caravans going all across Jamaica today, touching every nook and cranny, and in every town, every center. Everybody loves a plan. People are porting more and more today. We have so many ports today, it's unbelievable. Because people want to be on this network. They want something for their hustle. They want to make sure that they can hustle on and progress in life. And close the network for them. You can't get any better value on any network. No surprises, no bill shock, no holy project key in the business, what other people always do. You have clear, simple, transparent plans that people have always died for. You know, we're making sure that we're the better choice, and we've provided a solid network that can handle. You know how many people are streaming this concert live? Unbelievable. And the concert, it has been amazing. You saw Wayne Marshall, you saw Teejay, and now a surprise guest, Ching Ching. We're giving Jamaica what they want.
And here's what members of the public had to say about Flow.
Audience, very diverse, you know, it's a free show. Myself and Teejay. I think Mr. Ching around there too, so it's a vibe, man. People them come out, come here from early and from the place empty, and we watch everybody coming at the park, and it's awesome when we can get them energy there from the people, you know.
What do you think about Flow giving back to the community or reaching out to the community?
Great, man. It's brilliant, man. You know, Flow coming, driving down the prices and giving the people them good deals. So we always need that, you know. Competition at the marketplace is good for the consumer, you know. So we give thanks for companies like Flow who are thinking for the people.
What do you think about Flow being in the community today, Buckfield?
It's a good idea.
What do you like about Flow?
Everything.
Yeah? Or what do you like about tonight proceeding?
I like how they get cheaper. Data get cheaper.
Thank you for giving back something to the community.
Are you a Flow customer?
Yes, man. I'm flowing.
That's our wrap on Flow's Game Changer promotion in Buckfield, Ocho Rios.
That was Flow's Game Changer Roadshow in Ocho Rios, St. Anne. After the break, we meet a new artist and we roll out a new video. So come back.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gallopar. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know hide with the Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a start. Take charge, take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge. Magnum.
Monday with family, friends, and fun at Fun Fest. Fly above the trees in the high-flying trampoline, zip line, fun zone, gauge arcade, family bingo, frozen tree, and mascot parade. Admission adults 700, children over 3 years 500, and toddlers free. Cadbury Fun Fest, April 22nd, Easter Monday at Hope Gardens. Gates open at 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Come out early.